Hello, good evening. Today we'll be making chicken rice with broth. Take a pan, put onto the stove top into the oil. When oil turn to warm, put into chicken and fry until chicken color change. Add more ginger and garlic paste and cumin cloves, black cardamom, black peppercorns, anise stars, cinnamon sticks and mace. And fry properly. Now add tomatoes. Now add salt, crushed coriander and fried onions. Now add yogurt and crushed green chili. In this moment, add nutmeg powder. Add rice while mixing spices. Now cover it and leave it for simmering for 30 minutes. After simmering, chicken rice is ready for eat. Oh wow! Is there open rice when you taste? You never stop your hand, it's amazing. You try with chicken and potatoes curry or raita, whatever you want, always amazing taste.